What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally picked up our new 2024 Road Glide, man, that we got from Copart. And I can't hold you, man. The damage on there is not nearly as bad as we thought it was, man. And not only that, man, we actually ended up heading out here to Los Angeles, California to get the rest of the parts for the bike. And not only that, but paint the bike up, man. Y'all know in Texas, they got some real good painters and the paint quality is even a whole lot better, but the time period just takes a little bit longer. And I kind of want this bike done in like 5 to 10 days, man. So with that being said, we are down here in Los Angeles, California with our new 2024 Road Glide. Now, before we get into that, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our next giveaway, yes, we are giving away a new 2024 with a whole turbo built Harley on there, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy Everything's Regular, do so now, man. Head on over to the website, that'sregular.com. Go get yourself any hat on the site, any wallet on the site. You'll get your entry for a chance to win, man. Meanwhile, if you guys caught the live yesterday, man, you guys already seen us take the bike apart, and that's where the parts came from. So, of course, the bike is literally just like the regular 2018 and up M8s. The only thing that's different is the triple tree and the forks. Of course, the motor is a little different, but all in all, it is the same M8 more or less. Now, we got a few parts to get today. We got to go find our triple tree. We got to go find our fork legs. We got to go get our outer fairing, our fairing support bracket, and our inner fairing, man. So I can't wait. That should be a task in itself, man. So if we just come on over here, we already got the parts taken off. We got our freaking gas tank right here, little to no damage, of course. We got our side covers right there, our rear fender, our bag lids, and our bag, because you guys know one of our bags was actually just completely ripped open from the bottom. So we already found another bag. I already found most of the parts I got to get. The only thing I don't have right now is the inner fairing, but we will tackle that today, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate that. If you guys wanted to see the video where we was taking all this stuff off the bike, man, make sure you go tune into that live video where we dropped it yesterday, man. So it's all good. We're gonna get this show on the road, man. Let's get on this part hunt, man, because we got a lot of parts to find. We got a lot of stuff to do today before we drop this paint set off. So let's get it in. So alrighty, guys, man, next day here, man, I was planning on getting all the ins and outs yesterday of me actually getting all the parts, because I swear when you in LA, trying to find Harley parts is like the easiest thing to do compared to where I'm at now. I'm literally in the country in the Wild Wild West compared to being out here in LA, man. So I found pretty much everything I need except for inner fairing. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to go on eBay and try to find an inner fairing. Hopefully it can meet me at home and I can either just gloss black that thing up or get the color code from Antonio and have somebody out there paint it up. But I think I'm gonna just keep it simple and easy and just get the gloss black one and call it a day. But next day here, man, we are at my dog Built by Dre's house. Like when I told you I got everything, I got everything. So I got a triple tree, we got new forks and everything. I'll just show you that really quick. We got a new triple tree right there. We got new forks right there. So, like I said, I had to pull up on my dog Built by Dre, man. He was like, hey, man, you know that's not a hard job, man. You know I can get you right real quick, man, if you let me. So, bet. I'm like, all right, man, let me go ahead and pull it off the trailer. And here we are, man. So, we got to switch our triple tree out, man. What's the process here, man? What we got to do first, man?
Honestly, we're gonna take the bars off, let them hang. You can take them off, but these wires are not gonna really go nowhere.
Okay.
Take that off, take the wheel off, loosen the screws, slide the legs out, pop that off, then drop this off the bottom, put the new one on with some grease, and we back sliding.
Yeah.
It's crazy though, you got the new one at the auction.
Then again, since we ain't really reusing it, oh yeah, we still need that wheel, huh? I forgot.
Yeah, definitely.
Forgot.
You gotta find some. Let me see if I got some spacers.
No, I got a spacer on that one.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it came one, so we should be good. Yeah. So bet we gonna take these bars off because we gotta undo the what's this called, the bushings and stuff up here. So if we had them T-bars, we can literally bolt them up right now. It'll be perfect. But it's all good, man. We gonna get it in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, y'all know what time it is. I literally dropped the paint set off yesterday to Antonio, and he literally had the paint set done for me in 4 hours. Like, I cannot make this up. I dropped it off at maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. He hit me at about 6, 7. It was probably 7:30. He was like, finish already? So,
what up, mate?
So we gonna see what's going on, man. I can't wait to go check out the paint set. Like I said, it's about to be a movie, man. So if you guys didn't know, the new axles is like the ones from the performance machine. So Harley is definitely taking pointers from the other aftermarket companies. Huge little oil cooler right there. Nah, it's really like the same thing. A couple upgrades, but more or less it's the same. Like when I was taking everything off the back, it was just saying I feel like they just made it easier. Like in a new the triple tree is way lighter than the old one. Like way lighter. Insane. Like it's insane weight difference, man. So we're gonna get these bars off and stuff, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second, man. It's up. And just like that, guys, back on the trailer, we got it together. We got the triple tree switched out. Got the new forks on there. Now I don't got a freaking spacer over here because when they freaking, I guess, chopped off the the brake lines, wherever the brake lines are, once they chopped off the brake lines, freaking they chopped the ABS sensor came off too, so it's got no ABS sensor, so I didn't want to screw the screw all the way in and strip the bolt, but it's all good. My boy got us together, built by Dre. Come on, man. Let's get it together though. It's time to see what's up with this paint set. And if Antonio not done with the paint set, then I think we got something else in mind, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's head on over there and see. Alrighty, guys, and you guys know with being in LA, man, all you gotta do is hit a couple corners and you know you're gonna find the action, man. Look what we done found and what we done ran into, man. It looked like we got a whole bunch of street racing out here. Motorcycle Harley racing, that is. So it's time to go yay, man. It's hot as heck, but we're gonna get this show on the road. I'd rather it be hot than super cold at nighttime, so it should be some pretty dope footage today, man. Y'all see what's going on. It's the big old deal, man. What's up, nigga?
What size is that, that blue bike?
Good seeing you, nigga.
We ain't got ours.
Like yesterday. What's up, fool? What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's up, man? How you feeling? Good. What's up, bro? Man, another day. What's up with y'all, man?
You say when you got ours?
Like a couple days ago. Man. When you coming back on the bike, man? You bullshit. I'll be out, man, one of these days.
Nah, I come right back right before Bruce.
Nah, that shit about to pop. You know how you about to do, man. It's up. Nigga lost his derby cover out here. Got that thing. Look, come on, man. Real supporter. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all go to the website, man. I appreciate you, man. It's love, man. He said, look, I might not have won, but I still got that thing on me. Look, it's up. Y'all see what's going on, man. All right, look, so we out here, man, Compton, California. We about to get this show on the road. They got the things out here. Look at this thing, it's bright. I like the color on there. Got the Pink Panther with the ooze. With the ooze on there. I thought they was gonna come through and come right. Okay. Got the rose on there. I like that one. Guns and Roses on here. I can dig that. Y'all see what's going on. It's a movie. Yes, sir. Gotta get him on camera, man. What we doing today? Is we winning or what, man?
Yeah, man.
What we doing? What's up, man? How you feeling, man? What's up, nigga? How you doing, man? Good seeing you, man. What's up, man? Damn, man. It just had to poke out, huh? Yeah. Come on, man, grab that motherfucker. You ain't gotta be perfect, man.
You gotta make sure.
For every other nigga be like, hey, man, what you got over there? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take two, you see? Niggas, let me tuck my shit low. All right, man, let's do it up. What's up, man?
What up, baby?
How you feeling, man? Good seeing you, bro.
All the time.
Love. My guy.
Yeah, y'all
man. Yes, sir. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man. What we doing today? Oh, man. What's up, twin? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man.
Where you at?
What's up, man? It's going down.
What you got? What do you got? This nigga said the same shit. Down this nigga.
Alrighty, let's see what we got here, man.
No, I told you. Let the clutch go.
That Mr. Outside himself,
what's
man.
going
Come
on,
on,
man?
I got the man with the plan. How you feeling, man? Good seeing you, bro. Yes, sir. Back at it. Another day. Another day, man. Back at it.
Come on, man.
All right, so y'all see what we got going on. He got the little blue with the ooh. Easy win. Easy win. What we doing?
We got fat ants.
It's my bad, gang. We got some ooh and action. Weezy, what's up, nigga? Got the fresh cut. Fresh cut, fresh fit, damn.
Like A2 right now.
Man, what? Nah, look, man, come on, Weezy, I see you, though. Come on, son. It's up. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, shit. What's up, man?
What's going on?
How you feeling, man?
I'm up.
It's a movie. It's a movie, man. Where that bike at? Is it out here today? Or you gonna pull it out the cut? Oh, okay, okay. I'm gonna be waiting, man. I'm gonna be waiting. Let's see. Let's see what we got, man. We are out here in Compton, California. About to get this show on the road. Let me see. Do I want to get it at this angle? Okay, the sun is coming from that angle. So I'm gonna get it like right from over here. Let me get it like right from this side right here. What's up, nigga? How you feeling?
You good?
Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah. Let's see what we got. I'm thinking right lane. I think it was right lane. Man, he said you ain't the only big nigga that know how to get down.
Come on, man.
He said you ain't the only big nigga on the bike, man. What's up?
For sure.
You fuck him smooth on here. You fuck him smooth on here. That's easy.
Yeah, he did that.
Hey, who won?
I ain't know it was gonna go like that.
Right lane one? Yeah, man.
I ain't know it was gonna go like that.
I knew it. You know who.
Solo, what's up, nigga?
By the gap.
How you feeling, man? Good seeing you, nigga.
Okay.
That nigga got the Osmo out today. Oh my God, see that thing. Come on, Ted, what we on?
Go up, the in and out challenge.
Yeah, look, let's see what we got, man. Who won this joint, man? Who won it? Let me see. Who won? I missed the gear. Hey, tell me about it. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Hey, what? Come on. I missed the gear. That's the one, huh? That's the infamous line right there.
I've been slipping.
What? Trends, everything. I know that ain't another one I gotta knock off.
Miss the gear? Oh, you missed the gear. All right, hey, oh, it's over with. You ain't giving no action.
Said one and done.
It's over.
Man, that's how you coming, man? I ain't know that was gonna be the outcome. Damn.
Hey, he got that thing down the street.
He did that.
Okay, watch out, watch out.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me see. Uh-oh. Ooh, it's about to be a race. That look dope. It's about to be a race. Let's go. See, come on. CVOST. Okay. That's how they feeling. Let's check them out. It look like they done got another CVOST. The red one, we got taking off phase performance race against Cocky Riders. Big Mike. Big Mike himself. Let's go up. What's up, man? How you feeling? Man, that motherfucker ready. He said he ready to go. And now. Man, don't let this be my next victim, man. My bad.
Y'all done switched jockeys 3 times. It's crazy. That's my brother though right there. That's my brother right there. Hold on. Let me see something.
Little adjustment, slight adjustment.
I'm not getting